Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video, so quick lunch ideas. So anyway, this is my lunch here. So for this one, unlike the kids one, it's loaded. So as always, I like to hit my marks. I do 5 things. I do a main course, a fruit, a vegetable, a snack, and a treat. So for this sandwich, it is a lunch meat sandwich. And the lunch meat, I only did 2 slices of lunch meat, which is crazy because we love to put like, 6, 8 of them on there. But I cut back because, lunch meat isn't the healthiest, but I have loaded it. So this is what I have on there. So for me, it's bread. We have tomatoes on there, onions on there, bell pepper, cheese, and meat, and then mayonnaise. So that one's loaded. It's going to be yummy. And some mayonnaise on it. So it's going to be so good. This right here is the vegetables, and we have some some cucumbers there, and then I have some ranch dressing there. And what I'll do is I'll open up the cucumbers and I'll put them in the bag, open up the, let me see. So this is already pre-packed. I do this so that, I cut up a bunch of cucumbers and then I bag it up so that all I have to do is just grab it and we can have it for lunch. So anyway, if you're wondering why didn't I just put them in this bag right here, it's because I prep. So anyway, here's the cucumbers. I'm going to put it in this bag. I'm going to nip the tip there, sprinkle it inside the bag, and then I can mix it all up, and then I can just eat it. Before I would put a fork in there, but we don't need a fork. We can just, eat it out of the bag. So anyway, that's what we'll do there. And then for their treat, I have some of these Elmer Fudge double stuffed cookies. The kids love this, and they're not that bad. They're pretty good. And then for the snack, I have some original Triscuits. And then we have some grapes. And one thing I did notice is whenever you do grapes, if you notice right there's a stem. If you leave the grapes on the stem, it makes it so that it lasts longer inside of your fridge. So don't just take them all off. It makes it last longer and the grapes stay more plumper. So anyway, these are just some quick lunch ideas. And for you, your friends, family, and or loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and definitely God bless.